Hello everyone, my name's Mr. Finance. I'm not here to hype markets, I'm not here to sell courses, and I'm not here to confuse you with jargon. I'm here to explain finance in a way that actually makes sense. Today, we're going to talk about financial facts, with real numbers, that quietly shape your life every single day. Each one will take a little time, because understanding money is more important than rushing through it. Let's start. Fact 1. Most of money does not exist. Let me ask you something. If you added up all the cash in the United States, every bill and every coin, what percentage of money do you think that is? The answer is around 8 to 10%. That means over 90% of money exists only digitally. It's numbers in bank, databases, spreadsheets, electronic promises. Money today is not backed by gold, it's backed by trust. Think of money like points in an online game. As long as everyone agrees the points matter, the system works. Once trust breaks, the numbers mean nothing. Fact number 2. Banks create most of the money here. Another surprising fact. Banks do not lend existing money. According to central bank data, over 90% of money in circulation is created through bank lending. When a bank approves a loan, it doesn't move money from someone else's account. It creates new money. Just like typing numbers into existence. This is called fractional reserve banking. It's like a restaurant that doesn't cook food in advance. It cooks only when someone orders and charges interest for the plate. That's why debt is so powerful in modern economies. Fact number 3. Inflation steals. Quietly, inflation sounds small. 2%, 3%. That doesn't sound dangerous. But here's the math. At 3% inflation, your money loses about 26% of its purchasing power over 10 years. At 6%, you lose almost half. Inflation is not loud. It doesn't announce itself. Fact number 4. In cash often makes you poorer historically. US inflation averages around 3% per year. Meanwhile, many savings accounts have paid less than 1% for long periods. That means if your money earns 1% but loses 3%, you're losing 2% every year. Saving cash feels safe. But mathematically, it's like storing ice in a warm room. Safety without growth is still loss. Fact 5. A common misconception. People think stocks go up, so the economy must be good. But historically, only about 50 to 60% of Americans own stocks directly or indirectly. That means nearly half the population doesn't benefit from stock market gains. If these facts are changing how you see money, like the video, it helps this channel reach people who were never taught this. And if you want more clear explanations from Mr. Finance, consider subscribing. Let's continue. Fact number 6. Most trading is done by machines. Around 70 to 80% of stock market trades in the US are executed by algorithms, not people. Machines react in microseconds. That is why emotional trading you are not competing with humans. You are competing with code. The market does not care how confident or scared you feel. Fact number 7. Debt is not good or bad in the US. Total household debt exceeds $17 trillion, but debt itself isn't the problem. Bad debt buys things that lose value. Good debt buys things that produce income. Same tool, different outcome. A knife can cook dinner or cause damage. Debt works the same way. Fact 8. Credit score control your cost of life in the US. A high credit score can save you tens of thousands of dollars over your lifetime. Better rates on mortgages, cars, insurance. A difference of just 2% on a mortgage can mean over $100,000 in extra interest. Your credit score is a silent tax or a silent discount. Fact 9 time beats amount historically. The US stock market has returned about 7% per year after inflation. At that rate, $1,000 invested at 20 can become over $15,000 by retirement. Not because of luck, because of time. Compound interest doesn't care how smart you are. It rewards patience. Asterisk money controls lives because it's rarely explained. But once you understand the rules, the system feels less intimidating. I'm Mr. Finance, and my goal is simple. Make money, make sense, before it controls you. See you in the next one.